I would like to talk about an eagle. My title is Lord, enlarge my territory as an eagle. Lord, enlarge my territory as an eagle. Now listen very carefully. We are born now. Unkulunkulu is a God that dwells in nature, and God hides in nature, and God reveals Himself in the same of simplicity. Listen now what God does. Lalela, I always say, if you don't see God in a tree, you'll never see God. If you don't see God in the grass, you'll never see God. If you don't see God in the cloud, you'll never see God. If you don't see God in the sun, you'll never see God. Because God has a tendency, after He created something, then He dwells and stay also in the thing. If you don't see God next to the person, we are made in the image of God. You might not see God. I love birds and come back to we have different kinds of bird. Listen, we have different kinds of bird. We have a bird that has the ability to outrun all birds in the world. But that bird, it cannot fly. What is that bird? Thank you very much. And all right, and we have another bird. This bird, it's able to swim, but this bird cannot fly at all. What is that bird? It's a penguin. Now watch, we have another one. And the last one is in this manner. This one is called the forward ever and the backward never. This one is called the majestic king of the sky. This one is called a non-retreater and a non-surrender. This one is called the one that stands until death strike. There's a Japanese word. It's called samurai. And samurai means you fight until death strike. And this one, it does not give up. It does not go back. When it comes on air, it rules and take over. What is it? Now here's another part. What the leader does. You know, Umfundisi, the 1820, made a statement of we shall have. What in life we have 4 D's in life. 4. What do we have 4 D's? What did the D's are as follows. Your daily decision determine your destiny. Your daily decision determine your destiny. What you want to be, start now and today.